Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today's task is to find out if a linked list has a CL. A CL happens when you visit some nodes in the list more than once. We need to say true if there is a CL in the linked list. Here's our plan. Make a store to remember nodes we have visited. Go through the list in a loop and add each node to the store. If a node is already in the store, we return true. Now let's think about what we'll use to store our data. Will be an object, a map, or a set. We are adding nodes to our store, not just values. So each node is an object with two fields, the value and the next node. Using an object doesn't work well because we can't use an object as a E without it turning into a simple string like object. Both set and map store unique items, but a map is meant for A-value pairs. To check for cycles, knowing if we have seen a node is enough without needing any extra values. We would use a map, but a set is the best due to its ability to directly support a collection of unique items, efficient processes, and its ability to handle any type of object directly. Now let's write our solution. We start by creating a set, so let's write const set is equal new set. Next, we go through our list, so let's add our while loop, and while head is true, we iterate by this list. Next, add the added node to the set, so let's add just set.add with our head, and then move on to the next node by setting head equal to head.next. By default, our function returns false, so it doesn't have any cycles. And now let's see if the added node has been seen before. If it has, there is a cycle, so we return true. So let's add just set has and return true. And now let's check our test cases. Let's run it, and everything is green. So let's maybe submit it. Let's wait, and it works. Maybe not perfect, but it works. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.